Hello beautiful people, it's Kim and today I'm sharing with you an unboxing of the Qymerry kit for the Qymerry Planner Kit, and what I have here are all 4 kits, and I'm going to give you a look at everything that is included in all 4 sets. Before that, if you guys are wondering about the giveaway which is gonna be announced in this video, make sure you watch until the end for more info. Now this is the main set and it has tons of accessories, papers, stickers and anything you need. Then there is also the add-on sticker kit, washi kit and stamps. I would like to start with the unboxing of the main kit, which is premium subscription and which comes with everything you need to set up a planner. And the first thing I always love to show is the pen. You can put them in the pen holder of your planner or put them in your purse. Then we have this floral sticky note and you can jot down anything you need or important. And not to forget, you also can punch hole beside it and just place it in your planner, or you can just tear it and then stick it on the translucent divider. And then another item I'm in love with is this gold lucky leaf bookmark. You also get 2 sheets of this beautiful unicorn deco stickers. Next is this 20mm washi tape and it has a gorgeous pink. Next is this cute little sticky note and I've showed this as a snap peek on Instagram. Next is these papers and envelope. I think this is adorable. I just love the pattern, and you can just punch hole besides and store your stickers or sticky note. And then just punch the holes and place it in your planner. For these beautiful papers, this will make a beautiful divider in your planner or traveler notebook, or you can just make whatever you want. Here's the second set, the washi kit, and as you can see, this is a really thick one, and then we are going down to a smaller size, and this is another gold foil. If you are a washi addict like I am, you never have enough washi, and in this washi tape kit, you actually get 2 washi tapes. In this one, they are all beautifully foiled, so you can see the gold foil to it. And now I want to show you guys the add-on sticker kit. This is a separate add-on that you can add to your subscription and it will ship with your regular subscription. First of all is this sticker flags, and then you receive a sheet of decor sticker, and these are cute donut stickers. And then you will get a bunch of sticker tabs, and all you have to do is basically just fold them over, and these are beautiful because they are actually gold foil on it. And then you can just create your own dividers to easily identify what you are looking for. And lastly, for the add-on stamps, you receive a stamp set. I really like the hashtag. And now I'm going to show you how I store my stickers in this A6 planner. You may stick some washi tape on the journaling card to decorate your divider. You may also get a washi holder to store the rest of the washi tapes. So for the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to this channel, leave a comment what do you think about this video or what video are you looking forward to. For optional extra entries, just follow me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, make sure you screenshot and upload this picture in your Instagram stories and tag me so I will notice you. One winner will be announced at the end of May. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend.